Right, children? So today we will see the combustion of coal experiment. So for that purpose we require certain material. So what are the material required? We will see here. Now you are observing some of the, I have drawn some arrow marks on this one. So here these two are called boiling tubes. Generally, why we are calling boiling tubes? Generally, they are test tubes, but we are heating them. It has to withstand for heat, so it should not break. It should not be broken. So that is why we are taking the hard test tube. That is called boiling test tubes. Now here you have to. I have given arrow mark. You have to complete it. So this one and this one is called boiling test tubes. And for conducting or observing the experiment, so we have used the rubber cocks here. If you observe here, this is the one hole. There are the two holes. So for the rubber cock, generally we can make one hole, two hole, or there is no hole. Because when we want to use as a closing part, then we should not have any hole, either one hole or two holes. But here there are the two holes for the rubber cocks. Here is one hole. We have taken another arrow mark. So this is called delivery tube. So from where to where it is delivered, we will see. So in the another test tube, we have taken the coal powder. So we are heating the coal powder with Bunsen burner. So Bunsen burner is something very similar to your gas flame. We are making to burn the gas only. Right? This one. So the coal is heated here. The coal gets heated. So what happened here? It is liberating some gases, mixture of gases. So now our main motto of the experiment is coal is a fuel. Coal is a fuel. It can liberate some gases and the gases will burn. Okay, gases give some heat energy. That is the way. So now when the gases are emitting, they are transmitted through delivery tube. This is called delivery tube. So and they enter into which one? They enter into water. So another test tube, what we have taken? Gases, water. So now this is called jet pipe. Jet pipe. Generally, what is the nature of the gas? It will lighter than our general air or substances. So they will exit outside through this one is called the jet pipe. So jet pipe is nothing but very small outlet where the force of the gases will come with speed. Here we have to make some line with the gas. Then that will burn here. So that will burn. That will some. This is called flame. Again we will get flame. Here is a flame. Here is a flame. Here the gas is burning. Already we know. Split our gas stove. Here the gas. But here there is no gas stove. There is no cylinder. But it is able to burn because of the emission of gases. Okay. So in this way we can conclude that the coal is a fuel and it will liberate some gases when we heat it. Okay. So this is about our experiment. Now you have to draw the diagram as this and label the parts. Okay. Thank you.